What's up, you guys? My name is Frankie. Welcome to my channel. This is actually one of my first videos. I'm sorry if you see any errors. Today we're gonna be working on my truck. So this is my truck. It's a 99 Chevy Silverado with a 5.3. Today we're gonna be painting this stuff right here, which you see I was working on. Actually, I just did this all with myself. Show some videos and pictures, you know, of the progress until the point of how we got. You see, it's not perfect, but I mean, it does the job, you know. This is the worst side of the truck. As you see, there's paint missing like crazy in this door, which we're gonna try fixing it. Yeah, there's a trim piece right here missing on this door, which I bought it like that. I fixed this side of the truck too. This shit looks crazy, I know, but I mean, like I said, it's my first time, so me it's not that bad, you know, for my first time doing this bondo thing. I don't know what you guys think. Didn't cover this thing up because I'm gonna put some flares on it, you know. So these are the fender flares that we're putting on it. They were already installed in the truck, but I have to take them off because I decided I wanted to fix that. Put them on and it was still looking like crap. I mean, the truck looks like crap right now, but I mean, they look like shit, you know, when I bought it. By little, we're gonna be fixing it. Got all my mess right here. I got here the paint that we're gonna be using. Some clear coat and some gloss black. Little tip, you know, for any of you guys starting to paint trucks or whatever you're painting. Grab a bucket, fill it up with warm water, you know, like really hot water. Not super hot, you know, but warm water. Let it sit for like 10 minutes. And trust me, when the paint comes out of the can, you're gonna see the difference. So we're going to start taping up the truck. So I decided to like paint all of this black, you know. Yes, I'm gonna do it myself. It's not professional. I'm gonna be showing in another video what I have done to this truck. I actually changed the bumper, tail lights. I just installed this wing. It changes the look of the truck on the back a lot. I really like it. So right here we got the old bumper. This is the old one that it had. Reason why I changed it. Look at that. That's horrible. If you guys need a bumper below, let me know. Gotcha. We actually changed the calipers in that truck too because it wasn't really breaking that good. Here are the old ones. As you see, yeah, they were pretty messed up. One of them was actually stuck. Pretty sure it was this one. Yeah, it's this one. So change on 401. This is my dad's truck. Pretty neat. I had the tail lights around here, the old ones. They're one of the old ones. I sprayed them, you know, with a spray can too, but I actually didn't like it. Look like really dark at night, so I just decided to buy a new one. So this one we're using, this is just prep wipes, you know, to get it ready for the paint. Just you know, some masking tape you can get at a dollar store or whatever. We're gonna be covering up the truck and masking it, you know, with the tape. I'm gonna do the line or I'm gonna paint it. Like I said, this is not a professional look, but it's just something to make this truck look way better. If any of you guys have a truck like this or any truck and you guys just want to make it look better, trust me, man, got a little work that you do to it, it's gonna change a lot. So here's where I'm gonna do my lines. I'm gonna start here all the way back, just right here. Like I said, guys, I know this shit looks horrible, but I'm gonna put just some fenders on it, and one day, you know, I'm gonna get it fixed when I have more time, or probably I'm gonna go get done the whole truck professional. I'm not gonna do this back part. I've seen a lot of trucks that have, you know, the whole line, you know, all the way to the back, but I don't want to do it. I mean, that's my look, so I know what you guys think, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna start doing the other side too. Just got done with it. The whole part is gonna be black, and the whole point of me painting this, I want to cover all that bundle up. Maybe it's gonna make the truck look better, maybe not. I mean, we're gonna see at the end. Right now I'm gonna cover the wheels up and the rest of the truck. So we just got this in the mail. UPS guy just dropped it. I'm pretty sure it's a brake booster for this truck, which we're gonna be changing it soon. Guys, stay tuned for that. So here it is, guys, all wrapped up. use the prep wipes and get it ready. As I told you guys, all of this is gonna be black. Hopefully it doesn't ruin my truck. Hopefully it makes it look better. There's the other side. I'm gonna get started with that. Let's see how this turns out. Shit looks sexy any day, every day, any time of the day.
No mames. No mames. Tengo bigote. No mames, güey.
We're going to be installing new shocks too. This came in the mail too. We're gonna be installing that in this week. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated on that video. So we're gonna get the paint right now. I said follow this tip, you know, with the bucket, and trust me, man, you're gonna just see some difference. Just gonna use this cloth. Dry it up. Don't forget to use your clean prep wipe, clean all the surfaces that you're gonna be painting, so you can take all the mugre and piojos and everything, para que quede chingón. Pura cagada, man. Cloth, wipe it down and kind of dry it up because it should have taken forever. Hoping to dry it up more. So there you go, guys, all cleaned up, ready for paint. I mean, the paint is not really that bad. I mean, looks decent. Hopefully it turns out good. Well, let's get this started. So that's the first coat. We're gonna wait for it to get a little bit dry. Kind of messed up in some places. Hopefully it doesn't come out bad. I'm making a terrible job of it. So there, guys, that's the first layer. I don't know about you guys, but I kind of like it, kind of don't like it. Probably I should have just painted the other line right here, but let's see at the end how this shit turns out. Hopefully it looks nice. Yeah, I cover up my mirrors because I didn't know if the wind was gonna too hard, and I didn't cover up the wheels because we're gonna changing tires and painting the rims black. There's gonna be another video on that. So yeah, guys, let's wait another 10 minutes to dry it up, and let's do another layer. Just one with the second layer. It's looking way much better. Almost hard to cover up where the rust is really bad. I mean, it's decent for a spray can work. I mean, you can go to a body shop and pay somebody like hundreds of dollars just for this. Did it for like 60 bucks with spray cans and bond. Pretty much it. The newspaper, we'll just wait for the mailman, which, oh yeah, he just came by. Pretty windy today, guys. See how this turns out. I'm still waiting for this layer to dry up, but it's almost out. So there you go, guys. I'm done with the black coat on this side. Right now we're gonna go with the clear coat. You guys think? And it's gonna look way better right now with the clear coat. But the bundle is, I can see it's all covered up, so that's what we wanted. Well, it's looking decent. Hopefully the results turn out good. Looking different a little bit. So right now we're doing with the clear coat, so you guys can see. Yeah, I had a little run out right here. It looks pretty decent. I mean, you cannot tell from far away that it's bundled up, but if you get close by, Su puta madre, no mames, güey. Pinche chulada. Woo! There's a lot of bees flying around, like everywhere.
Run, bitch! Run!
Oh, what's up, little guy? I mean, I like bees. Please don't harm bees. We need them in Earth. They're just annoying, but yeah, it's part of nature. But yeah, still waiting here for this clear coat to dry up a little bit more so we can just put the final clear coat and we will be done with this truck. Well, this side, because we still have the other side to do. So this is a progress where we are right now, guys. The clear coat is already on. This whole side, the inside of the truck is painted as well. I put one layer of clear coat, so I'm still waiting to dry out. Not too bad. You can see a little run out right there. The other side, here's the other side, guys. As you see, I think it looks way better than the other side. Put 2 coats of clear on this one. I still got like 2 more. It's looking decent. So I just got this in the mail. You guys may have one. I know that you guys may know what it is, but it's a 7-way connector to a 3-way and a 4-way. This goes like right here, and goes right here where the trailer connector goes. My truck, I want to put like this bar that goes, you know, pretty sure you see it in a lot of cars, but we'll put this light right there that's how everyone in the back when I'm braking or turning or whatever. The reason why I ordered this is because the connector for the light is not the same as this. It's a 3-way, so hopefully this solves my problem. So if we go right here in the back, there's this baby. So let me try to install this. So it goes just like that. It does stick out a little bit, but meets what the results. What do you guys think? Those lines kind of look straight. Right here, the door is open because I'm waiting for the paint to get dried. But it looks pretty neat. So let me know what you guys think. We still got the other side getting dried up. Just painted the inside. So waiting for that to dry up so the clear paint can go. Here are the spray cans that I use, guys. I use 3 clear and 3 black. Here's the progress on this side. So the outside paint is dried up. We're just waiting for the inside. I just put 2 clear coats on it. I'm gonna just wait for this one and put the last one in. I painted a little bit here in the bottom because it was rusted a little bit. Not too bad for my first time. Like I said, this is my first time using Bondo and spray painting my own car or truck. Well, as you see, guys, it got pretty late. I actually didn't get good footage of the truck. I'm gonna show you the truck on the next video when it's daytime. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.